Bryoni, and I'm your makeup artist today. Is that alright? Good. Okay. So I just want to have a little look at your skin. Okay. You actually have very nice skin. Oh, it's very windy, isn't it? Alright, what I'm gonna do first, just relax, it's absolutely fine. You might actually enjoy this. I've just got some Nivea moisturizer. Now, I find that this is perfect before popping on any makeup. I put this on every single day, whether I'm wearing makeup or not. Yes, I think this is really, really good, and I actually recommend this to everybody. Alright, so I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on. Alright. Okay. Just rub that in. Rub. What's that? Oh, I do a lot of people's makeup in the day, probably around 8. It's very busy. Okay. Alright. Okay, that is all rubbed in. Okay, next up, I'm just going to pop some foundation on. This is the MUA, which is Makeup Academy Pro Base Long Wear Matte Finish Foundation in the shade #110. And this is for full coverage long wear formula with a matte finish. Blends easily for long lasting shine control. It is vegan and cruelty free. Alright, so what I'm going to do, it comes in a little bottle like this. Like a little stick. And I'm just going to dab this on your face, okay? Now, don't worry, this will be quite natural look, okay? I know you don't want anything too out there, so don't worry, this is quite a natural look, okay? So I've just got a little beauty blender, just going to blend it. It's very noisy out today, isn't it? I apologise for that. Okay, I think that is all blended in. Alright, next up I'm just going to pop a little bit of concealer on. This is again by the MUA Makeup Academy. It is the Pro Base Full Coverage Concealer in shade #110. And this is lightweight cover up for imperfections with smooth flawless finish. So we're just going to put a little bit of this just on your prime areas here and here. Okay. just a little bit there, just on your forehead above your eyebrows. Alright, and I'm just going to do under your eye. Okay, and then just a little bit on your chin. You've got a couple of little spots. And a couple there. And a couple there. Alright, that's fine. It's looking great. Okay, just going to blend that. Alright. Alright, that's all blended. Okay, next up I've just got a little bit of bronzer. Now, I'm not going to do any harsh contouring because I don't think you need it. You're very beautiful, so this will just enhance a little bit. So, I'm just going to pop a little bit on just around your face. I actually don't have any makeup on today. I probably should, but it's been a very busy day and I just didn't put any on. But this would normally be my sort of go-to. Yeah. Alright. Gonna just do this for me. Good. Okay. And again. Okay. And maybe a little bit more. Okay, and I'm just going to put some under your chin just to define that, and your jaw. Okay, and just a little bit on your forehead just to blend the foundation. Okay. Great. Excellent. Alright. Looking good. Alright. Next up, I've just got a highlighter. This is also by MUA. Oh, the bronzer was also MUA, yes. This is just their shimmer highlight powder. Now, yeah, I try to stick with the same brands, especially for a whole look. I think it works better. I'm just going to use this brush and just get some of that brush on. That's it. Okay, so I'm just going to do some highlighter just here and a little bit here. Alright, so we're just going to do highlight. It's very shimmery. Highlight. Yeah, I like it. Bit more. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit just under your eyebrow. Perfect. And a little bit on your nose. And just a little bit above your lip. Perfect. Wow, this is really pretty. Good. Alright. Okay, we've got two more things left. It's all coming together now. It's looking really, really lovely. And your skin, honestly, it looks fine. It's very natural. So I'm just going to do your eyebrows. I think we'll use this one. Now I'm not going to do much. You've got very nice brows. I'm just going to shape them a little bit. So I'm just going to draw them. Okay. Alright. And the other side. Okay. Just a little bit. brush through that. Brush, 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 brush. Wipe that a bit away. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. Okay, brush, 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 brush. Okay. All right, that looks great. Okay, and finally, I don't think I'm going to use this one. I've got this, which is a really nice, this is actually Maybelline. This is a mascara, just for your eyelashes. Okay. Alright. This one is so good. I love it. Okay, ready? Very good. Okay. Blink, 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 blink. Okay, just okay, one more. Okay, perfect. Wow, just double check. Perfect. And just turn to the side for me. Excellent. And the other side. Yeah. Alright, well, that's your makeup done. It looks absolutely beautiful. And it's so super natural. You're more than welcome. Thank you so much for coming to see me. Take care. I'll see you again.